Good morning. Today is my 40th birthday. Happy birthday to Big O. And I'm on vacation from work, which means that I'm gonna go today kayak fishing. Haven't done it in a while, but I'm ready to go. Today I'm taking my Perception Striker. We're gonna go out to a place called E.G. Simmons where I have no luck, but it's close by, it's pretty easy, and it's a nice place. I also have a pescador, but like I said, I'm taking the Striker today. Let's see how my birthday goes on the water. I'll keep you posted. Talk to you in a bit. So I'm here in my first spot. It's nice and quiet. There's nobody here again. Actually, there's some people here, but they went that way. Just cruising in some kayaks they rented. Looking to see if there's anything out here. I'm using my voodoo mullet that I've been using for a couple of days now. It's been giving me a lot of success. And so we'll keep trying. Let me show you where I'm at. It's a nice day. And it's a nice little area. Now, today's my birthday. I'm rocking my birthday present. My kids are hooking it up, man. Little O and Justin, I love you guys. They gave me this time the redfish generation 2, I think it is, on Southeast Cale. Pretty good, man. Captain Josh Taylor. I like your stuff, man. Real good stuff. Not only does it look good, it works. It works. The UPF sunblock thing is real good. Swimming in them, they dry out real good. So, it's a free plug for you, my man. I like your stuff. See, I just had a strike. Just had a strike. See, it's still there. Or is it going to be another skunk day at E.G. Simmons? Only time will tell. That was a strike, whatever that was. It was a strike, man. That's what you love about fishing, man. But now, you don't want to leave the spot because you want to see what was biting. So, hopefully, there was something. Okay, people. I'm on something here. I don't know what it is yet. Not out of the way, but it's something. It's something. Let it go, let it go. Let it pull me around, no big deal. It's something. It is it's a catfish. You don't want to push this slimy fucker. But look at the catfish. See the catfish? Still I'll be back before I get freaking hammered. Stupid. Definitely don't want to get hammered by this stupid. Just don't want to swing. There we go. Be free, buddy. Be free. Alright. Caught a catfish. It's something. It sucks, but it's something. I'll take it. Let me look at this spot. Look at this spot. It's a nice spot. Nothing's biting though. Catfish, but nothing else. But we'll keep trying. At least it's a nice day kayaking again. Thought I saw something. False alarm. Alright, so other than the catfish, nothing else was biting today. But it was a great day paddling. I recommend it for those of you who don't. But like I said, good time. Hope to catch you next time. Hopefully with some fish. Talk to you later.